Hello, friends. Today's session is going to be very interesting because it is about how to write a perfect resume for freshers and experienced to find out the dream job. Everyone knows the mistakes, but still we are doing. So, these are some very important points which everyone should know before writing a resume to apply in a organization. First of all, find out your strengths and skills, then write the resume according to that, because your skills and strengths are very important part of the resume. So our first and foremost topic is everything should be written in a black and white color only. Do not use other colors or do not apply extra some extra styles, because if you are a professional and you are writing uh, the resume with other colors, and suppose you are making it very attractive, but the problem is when you will take the print out, then sometimes the color faded and it looks some weird. So we always should make the habit to write the resume in black and white only. Another one is picking keywords. Each and every keyword of your resume should be meaningful and should make some different sound to understand the front people. Like if you are searching a job for a web developer, then write something or some attractive keyword that it should highlight that you are searching for the particular thing. Our third and the very important point is single page resume. If you are writing a lot of stuff into your resume, so it will take 3 or 4 pages. So you will think that you made a very effective resume, but it is not. Resume should be single page only, because this is your first and very important starting point of your career. If you will write the stuff in the resume that is unwanted, then there is no need to write 2 3 pages more. Just try to make all the stuff attractive and very meaningful in a effective manner, and everything should be maintained in a single page. Never mention unwanted stuff. Suppose you are writing the personal detail like your address, your date of birth, your marital status. So I think if you are working as a software developer or you are looking for a software developer or as a professional, so no one interested in your marital status, in your address or date of birth. They just want to grab your skills and your working manner. So just highlight these points only. Highlight the main skills. For what you are looking to work, that should be main. Fonts and spaces. Ignore or remove the unwanted white spaces, and font should be clear and should be attractive. Do not apply the styles to make it in the attractive manner. It should be proper readable and should be looking very formal. Always save the resume file with your name. It will helps to the recruiter agency because they have lots of resume, so it will be very easy to identify your resume. So that's why keep your name in the resume file. Means you just save the resume file with your name. Email should be professional. Indian guys do a lots of mistake while making the email id. They always include the family member name and other stuff that should not be. But just keep in mind, if you are using that emails for your personal use, that will be okay, but as a professional you should always use your email id with your name and some number combination that should be remindable to you. So just use the professional email only. Never do spell mistake. Sometimes it it happens unintentionally when we are writing the resume, that some keep rest or maybe at saving time some uh, special character entered. So that should not be. Before saving your file, just double cross check it, because it is a very annoying thing happens. On that time we didn't look it out, but the main highlighter become it for that interviewer. So just check it 2 times. Then after, check your resume properly that you have completed in a well manner. Then check the score on the Google, which free tools are available. So for that, what you will do, just search that resume score check online. Just always write your resume in a effective manner. Suppose here I'm just showing an example over here. First of all, when you will look for this site, then it will ask to log in you first. Then log in with your Google account. And then upload your resume over here. I think this site is more preferable because let me show you. Upload your resume. I had already uploaded, so it's just showing that. Just when you will click on it, it will ask to upload. Then it will show the step-by-step process that how the checker is working, like loading your resume, parsing your resume, identifying course action, your work experience, other experience, resume length, bullet point, resume depth, impact, writing style, weak verbs, fillers, suggest, suggested lines, relevant metrics, scores. So getting my point means for you. So it is showing 57 score out of 100. So you can check that we have to work like this, and after making, you can check your score online with some free tools. There is no need to pay a single rupee of anything to looking job. Always be original what you are. Never try to copy others. Instead of seeing others' resume, try to come up with your unique innovation. Don't follow everyone that person is very successful and I want to be like this. First be successful, and so that people can follows you. Search the relevant organization according to your skills and then check its review and all about the company at Glassdoor and other site. Suppose here is a site Glassdoor. So first identify your strength, then find the industry according to that. So when you find the industry suitable to you, then before going over there, just check the reviews and responses of people of that particular organization. So at the Glassdoor, suppose whatever company you selected, you can search about that company from here. Right now I'm just checking, showing example like TCS. If I'm applying in this company, then I will check each and every point about it, that what the people gives the review about it, how much people are satisfied with this organization. So you can check that website. So many most of all companies have their own website, so you can check their services and products. You can check their size, like 10,000 plus employees, when it was founded 1968, its industry, competitors you can check, headquarters, and its type. So this is all about uh, overview and company information you can check. Now you can check the responses of people, that pros and cons people put the or write their experience over here. So you can check their events and everything from many sites which are available for your help. So you can check that how many people's reviews, how many jobs, salaries, interview, you can check each and everything. So That's all. Never pay a single rupee. Just keep in mind, because as much as you will face the problems and things, those efforts will help you lifetime. So everything do by yourself, search it. Yes, it will take some time, but you will get the experience very helpful, that will help you everywhere. So this is all about the resume skills which we have to keep in mind when we are writing. So if you like this video, just give a thumbs up. Till that, stay tuned and we'll catch up in the next video.